This question is a practice SAT style question from the College Board. Let's take a look. X plus 4 squared plus y minus 19 squared equals 121. The graph of the given equation is a circle in the xy plane. The point AB lies on the circle. Which of the following is a possible value for A? All right, so we are given with the equation of the circle. So it means that we have a center at -4 and positive 19. So if we're getting the center of the circle, we always take the opposite sign. So that would be your HK, or the center of the circle. So we know that if you have the center of the circle, you'll have the radius will be the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So what is that distance? That distance is given by the radius. So the radius from the equation would be the square root of the number to the right, on the right side of your equation in this case. So this would be 11. So radius here is 11. So that means from the center, you have 11 as the radius. So on here, and at any point from the center to the circle, to any point on the circle, would be 11. Since we are looking for A, which is a value for X, it means that if we are at -4 for X, that means if you go this way horizontally, you'll have 11 minus 4, so that would be 7. So the highest it would go to the right from the -4 is 7. So right off the bat, we're going to cancel C and D because it's not going to be within 7, right? So any positive values above -4 should be anything less than 7, if you notice, right? Because the maximum horizontally is 7. As you go around the circle, it gets smaller and smaller, smaller than 7. So we cancel C and D. What about to the left? So to the left, we're going to add 11 more, right? So we add 11. So that would be -4 minus 11. So that's -15. So that means the lowest it could get is -15. You can't go past that. So that means right off the bat, A is eliminated, right? Because you can't go past -15. It should only be from -15 or higher, because as you go around the circle, it will now become more positive as you go around the circle. So that means the only positive or possible value, would be letter B. So you can answer this question using process of elimination. I hope this helps. See you again next time. Bye.